All right, we're on our way back to the train room / man cave. I'm gonna go up here and pull into McDonald's. Over here's a KFC. This is the typical American road. This is my local butcher shop. Hey, you need your muffler fixed? We got a muffler. United States Post Office. Up to our left is Mickey D's. Put a left-hand blink around. We'll pull into Mickey D's. And we got two lines here. Let's take the inner loop here. This looks might be a little faster for us. Let's get the window down.
Hi, my name is Kennedy. How can I help you today?
Your first name is Lily?
No, my first name is Kennedy.
Kennedy.
Kennedy, yes.
That's unusual. Kennedy's your first name.
Yeah.
That's usually a last name. But anyways, here's what I need. I need a large unsweetened iced tea.
Okay.
And 2 hamburgers of no mustard.
Okay.
That's it.
2 hamburger, no mustard, a large unsweet cheese, and a beef, 358 first window.
Okay, Kennedy, I'll see you up at the window.
Hi, it's 358.
Are you Kennedy?
I am not Kennedy. Kennedy's up there.
Up there, okay. Let's go up the next window. Let's see if they got our order ready.
Large unsweet?
Not a hamburger.
There you go.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. All right, we got our snack here. Let's head on back to the man cave. Hello, I'm Trainer Gary, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to go into the train room and we're going to work with this hot glue gun cordless. There's 2 possible batteries for it. There's this they're both 18 volts. This happens to be the larger version of it, which is a little more heavier, like for garden tools and the skill saw. I prefer the smaller one here. These both are available at Home Depot. Now keep in mind that this glue gun is sold separately from these batteries, or you can buy it in a kit. Since I already had the batteries, I purchased mine separately at my local Home Depot. It also comes with 3 glue sticks. And let's go over to the train layout and see how we can use this cordless RYOBI hot glue gun. All aboard for a model train adventure with Train Room Gary.
RYOBI Cordless Hot Glue Gun Tutorial for the Model Railroader. Take it away, Train Room Gary.
All right, we're over on the layout. This is a chimney. This is where the smoke comes out. I'm going to stick this cotton on here. Kind of resembles some smoke. And we'll tack it on with hot glue. So let's give it a shot of hot glue. Just a little dab will do you. Stick the cotton on there. Hold it until it hardens up, and I'll chip off that dripping. Kind of work it around a little bit, make it look like real smoke coming out of there. And we got it. All right, I think we got it pretty well shaped up to resemble some smoke. I might come back later and put some gray paint here and make it look like different colors of smoke. We'll get to that later. All right, just dab a little bit of gray paint there to make the smoke look more realistic. This is a classic toy train layout, so we can't get everything perfect, but we'll try. All right, I'm going to dry fit this in position and see how it fits. Hide the wires. Make sure it's perpendicular. Looks good. Hiding the wires, and I'll tack it in place to drop a hot glue at the top of the chimney and the bottom of the chimney. I put a little drop of glue here and at the bottom of it, and put it in position on the layout. All right, I got the glue behind the chimney. I'm gonna bring it over and set it in position. Make sure it's perpendicular. And kind of hold here till the hot glue sets up. Takes about 15 seconds for this glue to harden up nice. All right, there we go. Little push here where the hot glue is. Okay, looking good. It's in position.
Hey, Train Room Gary, show us how to do railroad patches on the fascia board.
Right along the facial board to the layout, I have all these railroad patches. I'm going to hot glue one more on here, and we'll place it down here at the end. Right about here. I'm going to put some hot glue in the back side of this patch. Oh no! Got the heat too high on this cordless hot glue gun. Just kind of dab the corners a little bit. All right, I'll grab the patch. And put it in place. All right, I got the patch in place, and I'm using the cordless hot glue gun from Home Depot. Hope you found this video helpful on how to use that RYOBI Cordless hot glue gun, available at your local Home Depot at aisle 14, bay 17. If you use any type of hot glue gun in your train room, down in the comment section, please tell us how you'll use it. This is Train Room Gary saying take care. Please smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to get all the notifications from YouTube. And as always, cheers from Detroit and Mackinac Railway.
This is Train Room Pam.
This is Train Room Gary. Thanks for watching.